Welcome back to Daily English Studio, your place for easy, friendly English practice. Hello, I'm Anna.
And I'm Lucas. It's so great to be here with you today, learning together.
Lucas, you look really focused today. Very energetic.
I am, Anna. You know why? I just finished my morning routine. I went for a short walk, I drank a big glass of water, and I planned my day. It feels amazing.
That does sound amazing. I want that feeling too. Sometimes my days feel messy. I start with good plans, but then I get busy and forget.
I know that feeling very well. I think many of our friends watching know that feeling too. That's why I'm so excited about today's topic.
Me too. Today we are talking about building good habits. We'll use simple, real conversations to learn how to talk about our daily routines and goals.
This is perfect for beginners. We will speak slowly, use easy words, and repeat important phrases. You will learn how to describe your own habits in English.
Yes, and before we start, we have a very small request for our Daily English Studio family.
That's right. If you are enjoying this lesson, please give this video a like. It helps us know what you love.
And if you are new here, please click subscribe and join our community. We make new lessons every week to help you speak English easily and without fear.
We are so happy you are here. Now, let's start our conversation about habits. Anna, what is a habit in simple words?
That's a great first question. A habit is something you do often, almost without thinking. For example, brushing your teeth every morning is a habit.
Yes, it's automatic. You don't think, should I brush my teeth today? You just do it.
Exactly. So building a good habit means making a positive action automatic, like drinking water when you wake up or reading for 10 minutes every night.
I love that. But Anna, why is it so hard to start a new good habit? I want to exercise every day, but it's difficult.
I think it's hard because we try to do too much too fast. We say, I will run for 1 hour every day, but that is a very big change.
You're right. Maybe on day 1, we run for 1 hour, but on day 2, we feel tired. On day 3, we stop.
Yes, so a better idea is to start very, very small, extremely small.
Can you give me an example?
Of course. If you want a habit of exercise, don't start with 1 hour of running. Start with 5 minutes of walking, just 5 minutes. Maybe just walk around your house.
Only 5 minutes? That seems too easy.
It is easy. That's the secret. Make it so easy that you cannot say no. The goal is not to run a marathon on day 1. The goal is to do the habit, to build the routine.
Oh, I understand. So the habit is putting on my shoes and going outside every day at 8 a.m. The action is small, but the routine is strong.
Yes, Lucas, you understand perfectly. The routine is the most important part, doing a small thing at the same time every day. Later, you can make the action bigger, but first, build the routine.
That is such good advice. Let's practice talking about this. How can I say I want to start a new habit?
You can say, I want to start a new habit. That's simple. Or, I'm trying to build a good habit. Let's practice that phrase. Repeat after me, everyone. I'm trying to build a good habit.
I'm trying to build a good habit.
Wonderful. Now, let's say what the habit is. I want to build a habit of reading every night.
I want to build a habit of drinking more water.
Perfect. Your pronunciation is so clear. Now, Lucas, tell me about a good habit you already have.
A good habit I have. I make my bed every morning. As soon as I get up, I make my bed.
That's an excellent habit. It starts your day with a small success. How did you build that habit?
I started by just pulling the blanket up. Just one simple action. Now it's automatic. I don't even think about it.
I love that. So you started small. Let's think of other good habits people might want. Our friends watching, think about your life. What good habit do you want?
Maybe learning English for 10 minutes every day?
That's our favorite habit, yes. Or going to bed at the same time every night.
Or calling a family member once a week.
Or eating a piece of fruit every afternoon. These are all small, positive habits.
But Anna, what about bad habits? We all have some bad habits, right?
We do. A bad habit is something you do often that is not good for you. For example, checking your phone too much or eating sweets late at night.
How can we stop a bad habit? Is it the same idea?
It's a similar idea, but a little different. It's very hard to just stop something. Your brain misses the action. So a good strategy is to replace the bad habit with a good one.
Replace it? Can you explain?
Yes. Let's say you have a bad habit of drinking soda every afternoon at 3 p.m. You want to stop. Instead of just saying no soda, you replace it. You say, at 3 p.m., I will drink a big glass of water with lemon.
Oh, so you don't focus on don't do this. You focus on do this instead. The time is the same, 3 p.m., but the action is different.
Exactly. You keep the routine time, but change the action. This is much easier for your brain.
That is so clever. Let's practice talking about this too. How can I say I want to stop a bad habit?
You can say, I want to break a bad habit. Break means to stop, to end. Repeat that phrase. I want to break a bad habit.
I want to break a bad habit.
Good. Or, I'm trying to quit. For example, I'm trying to quit eating junk food.
I'm trying to quit going to bed too late.
Excellent. Now, let's imagine a conversation between two friends. They are talking about their habits. This is the kind of conversation you can have in real life.
I'd love that. Let's do it. I'll be Ben and you be Maya.
Okay. Hi, Ben. How are you? You look well.
Hi, Maya. Thanks, I feel good. I started a new habit. I walk for 15 minutes every morning.
Really? That's great. How do you feel?
I feel more energetic and my mind is clear. It's a small thing, but it helps a lot.
I need a habit like that. My days are so busy. I check my email first thing in the morning and I feel stressed immediately.
Maybe you can try a morning walk too, or just drink your coffee quietly for 5 minutes before you check your phone.
That's a good idea. A small change. I can try that.
Start small. You can do it.
Thanks, Ben. Let's check in next week.
Sure, good luck.
That was a very natural conversation. Did you hear the useful phrases? I started a new habit. I feel more energetic. Maybe you can try...
And start small. Let's all repeat that important phrase. Start small.
Start small. Beautiful. Now, let's talk about motivation. Sometimes we start a habit, but we lose motivation. We feel lazy.
Yes, this happens to me. How can we stay motivated?
One way is to track your habit. Use a calendar or an app. Put a big red X on every day you do your habit.
Oh, I see. So you don't want to break the chain of red X's. It becomes a game.
Yes, it's satisfying to see a chain of successful days. Another way is to have a habit partner.
A habit partner?
A friend who is also building a habit. You can send a message to each other every day. You can say, I did my 5-minute walk today. This helps you feel responsible to someone.
That's a wonderful idea. It's more fun with a friend. Maybe our viewers can be habit partners with someone in their family.
Definitely. Or they can write their success in our comments. We can be a big habit partner community.
I love that. Now, Anna, let's think about common problems. What if I miss a day? Is everything ruined?
This is so important. No, missing one day is not a failure. It's normal. The problem is when you miss one day and then you think, I failed, and you stop completely.
So what should we do?
Just start again the next day. Be kind to yourself. Say, okay, I missed yesterday. No problem. I will do my small habit today.
Don't let one mistake break the whole plan. Just continue.
Exactly. Perfection is not the goal. Consistency is the goal. Doing the habit most days is a big success.
Consistency. That's a good word. It means doing something regularly, again and again. We want consistency, not perfection.
perfect explanation. Now, let's listen to another conversation. This one is about replacing a bad habit.
Okay, I'll be Chloe this time, and you be David.
Hi, Chloe. You look tired.
Hi, David. I am tired. I watched a TV series very late last night again. It's a bad habit.
Again? You said you wanted to sleep earlier.
I know, but at 10 p.m., I just start one more episode. I can't stop.
Maybe you need a new habit for 9:30 p.m., something that tells your brain it's time to relax for sleep.
Like what?
Maybe you can read a book for 15 minutes, a real book, not on your phone. Or you can write 3 good things about your day in a notebook.
Reading a book. I like that idea. It's quiet. So at 9:30, I will read instead of watching TV.
Yes, replace the habit. Put your phone in another room if you need to.
Okay, I'll try it tonight. Thank you, David.
You're welcome. I hope you sleep well.
That conversation had great phrases. It's a bad habit. I can't stop. Maybe you need a new habit for 9:30 p.m.
And the key phrase, replace the habit. Let's all say that. Replace the habit.
Replace the habit. Great. Now, Anna, I think it's time for a speaking exercise for our viewers.
Yes, let's do it. This is a chance for you to practice speaking English out loud with us. Don't be shy. We will do it together.
We will say a sentence about a habit. Then we will pause. In that pause, you repeat the sentence. Try to copy our pronunciation. Ready?
Let's start with an easy one. Repeat after me. I want to build a good habit.
Pause for viewer repetition.
Good. Next, I start my day with water.
Pause for viewer repetition.
Now, I am trying to break a bad habit.
Pause for viewer repetition.
One more. Start small and be consistent.
Pause for viewer repetition.
Wonderful. You did it. How did that feel? Easy? Difficult? Tell us in the comments.
Now, for the final part of our lesson, we have a real task for you, a practical task to use your English and build a good habit at the same time.
Your task is this. Tonight, before you sleep, say one sentence in English about your day. Just one sentence. Say it out loud or write it down.
For example, you can say, "Today I drank more water." Or, "Today I listened to an English lesson." Or, "Today I talked to my friend."
That's it. One sentence. This is a small, easy habit. It helps you practice English and think about your day. Try to do it for 3 days this week.
We believe you can do it. Start small, just one sentence.
And we would love to hear about it. In the comments, you can write your English sentence from today, or tell us what good habit you want to build.
Reading your comments is our favorite part of the week. We feel connected to you. We're all learning together.
Absolutely. Before we finish, a big thank you. Thank you for spending this time with us at Daily English Studio.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please share it with one friend who's also learning English. Learning is more fun with a friend.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Every click helps us create more lessons for you.
Remember, speaking English easily is a habit you can build. Be patient with yourself. Be consistent. We're here to help you every step of the way.
You're doing a great job. We're so proud of you. Keep going.
From all of us at Daily English Studio, have a wonderful week. Keep practicing those small, good habits.
Bye for now.
Goodbye. See you in the next lesson.